Decision analysis models in health and medicine often reflect extremely complicated event pathways. It is not uncommon for models to have hundreds, if not thousands of nodes and possible paths. Therefore, building the structure of your model in TreeAge can be a time-consuming process. However, there are a number of tools at your disposal that can significantly improve the efficiency with which you expand the structure of your model. One strategy is what we like to call the Subtree copy-and-paste technique.
Here's how it works. We've developed this simple decision tree which will ultimately be used to compare the relative cost effectiveness of 5 different strategies for improving adherence for people with diabetes. Even though this tree only considered 4 different events after each intervention, the completed tree will have 600 terminal nodes, 120 for each strategy. As you can see, we only completed a small section of the tree, as evidenced by only 5 terminal nodes that appear. However, in this particular case, we know a couple of things. This section of the tree, referring to event 4, has the same structure regardless of whether path 1 or 2 is followed for event 3. So instead of recreating it, we can simply copy and paste it. First, right-click on this chance node and click on Select Subtree. You will notice that all of the terminal nodes are highlighted. Then, from the Edit drop-down menu, select Copy. Then click here on the chance node to the right of path 2, and again from the Edit drop-down menu, select Paste. There you go, same pathway. We can also use the common keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-C for copy and Ctrl-V for paste. So if we know the structure for events 3 and 4 are the same regardless of the path you follow for event 2, we can right-click here and select this larger subtree using Ctrl-C. Then, we'll click on this chance node and hit Ctrl-V. We can do the same for path 3. In this same manner, what if this entire subtree applied not only to the first path for event 1, but also to the other 3 paths? That's right, same approach. Right-click to select this entire subtree, copy it using Ctrl-C, click on the chance node you want to paste it to, and, well, paste it. Let's do the same for path 3 and for path 4. That's it. The structure of strategy 1 is complete with all of its 120 nodes.
And if the model structure, meaning the events that may take place, are the same for the other strategies, we can select the entire event pathway from strategy 1, copy it, and paste it here for strategy 2. And then after a little scrolling, for strategies 3, 4, and 5. That's it. All 600 nodes in no time. Now, you might have to make some tweaks to the structure, and will definitely need to modify probability, cost, and effectiveness measures throughout, but this will ultimately be much quicker than doing it all from scratch. Now, this is but one of many efficiency tools. In fact, a technique called cloning is an even better strategy for building models quickly and removing unnecessary redundancies. But we'll get into that in future CHIT-CHAT videos.